Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will discuss about the most important concept that is known as spherical lens. So what are the lenses student? Lenses are the body of the two spherical glasses. Means when the two spherical glasses are adjusted with two different ways, then the lens that we get is known as spherical lens. There are the two types of the spherical lens according to the adjustment of the spherical glass. Like if we adjust the two spherical glass in this way, then the lens that we get is concave, or the lens that we get by the adjustment of the two spherical glasses in this way is known as convex lens. Now the lens that is thin from the middle and thick from the edges is known as concave lens, and the lens that is thick from the middle and thin from the side of the edges is known as convex lens. Concave lens is also known as diverging lens because the light is refracted in this way that they are diverged. In this lens, convex lens, is known as converging lens because in this the reflection that takes place, due to that reflection light is converged on a particular point. So this lens is known as converging lens. This lens, convex lens, is also known as magnifying glass, and it is generally used in far-sightedness disease student, and this lens is used in near-sightedness. Concave lens is used in the disease of near-sightedness. So what is it? Today we will discuss the important term of this, like the center of this lens, this point is known as optical center, and this center is known as center of curvature. This is center of curvature 1 and this is the center of curvature 2, and this point is known as optical center. Here the optical center is here. Like this, in this mirror, the center of curvature 1 is this, and center of curvature 2 is this, and this middle point is known as optical center. This is optical center. Now the line that is passed through the optical center in between center of curvature is known as principal axis. So this line is known as, this straight line is known as principal axis. This, the middle part in which this part or this line perpendicular to the optical center, this line is known as aperture student. What we call aperture. Now the ray that fall on this, like this is the ray. This ray is known as incident ray. Now these rays are refracted from here, like this. These are the incident ray and they are reflected like this. These are reflected ray. Now they appear to meet on one point, this point. They appear to meet on one point, and this point is known as principal focus. This is known as principal focus, and the distance from optical center to the principal focus is known as focal length. Means the distance between O and F is known as focal length student. Now we come on this lens. This ray is known as incident ray incident ray, and it is aperture. From here the reflection will take place, and here these refracted ray will meet with each other, and it is principal focus. Now the distance in between O and F is known as focal length. Here the light is converging, and here the lights is diverging. So it is diverging lens, it is converging lens. It is used, convex lens is used in far-sightedness. This lens is used in near-sightedness. Convex lens is used as magnifying glass, and it is also used in the solar cooker, student, to converge the light from which the food items are cooked early, because they get the more heat, student. So it is about the important terms related to concave and convex lens, student. In the next segment we will discuss about the ray diagrams of concave and convex lens. Thank you very much and have a nice day.